Why we hurt? Buddhist Dukkha explained. Tired of tight shoulders, midnight worry, and relationships that feel like tests? In plain language, discover what dukkha really is, the hidden rub behind stress, and how seeing it clearly can lower anxiety, ease conflict, and make change less scary. Stay a few minutes, leave with a lighter day.
I'm
confused. Nothing is terribly wrong in my life.
Yet I feel a low ache that doesn't go away. Why do we hurt?
The Buddha named this ache dukkha. Birth is dukkha, aging is dukkha, illness is dukkha, death is dukkha.
Not getting what one wants is dukkha. In brief, the 5 clinging aggregates are dukkha.
We hurt because we're alive in a changing world, and because we clutch what cannot stay. But if suffering is everywhere, is life only pain?
Not at all. The Buddha also said, I teach suffering and the end of suffering.
Dukkha is often translated as suffering, but the word is wider. Strain, unsatisfactoriness, the subtle rub of life not fitting our demand that it be otherwise. Classic teachings distinguish 3 flavors: dukkha, obvious pain, a toothache, grief, a broken bone, an unkind word. Viparinama dukkha, the sorrow of change. The party ends, the body ages, the sweet moment moves on. Sankhara dukkha, the background hum of instability. Everything conditioned leans into becoming and passing, so nothing offers permanent rest. Dukkha isn't a verdict against life. It's a map of where we tighten. The first noble truth tells the truth of dukkha. The second points to its origin, craving tanha. It is craving that leads to further becoming, craving for sensual pleasure, craving for existence, craving for non-existence. The third truth offers relief. Dukkha ends when craving releases. The fourth truth is the path of that release. The noble eightfold path: right view, intention, speech, action, livelihood, effort, mindfulness, concentration. A single verse sums up the training. All conditioned things are impermanent. When one sees this with wisdom, one turns away from suffering. Dhammapada 277. Notice, the cure isn't to push life away. It's to see and let go. 2 misunderstandings often block us. Dukkha pessimism. Buddhism doesn't say joy is fake. It says clinging to joy makes it fracture. Ending dukkha numbing out. Letting go is not apathy. It's the freedom to meet what's here without the extra layers of resistance and demand. 3 simple practices make this real. Name, soften, stay. When discomfort appears, name it. Sadness, heat, tightness. Soften the breath and shoulders. Stay for 3 breaths before speaking or acting. 2 arrows. The first arrow is the pain we can't avoid. The second arrow is our reaction, rumination, blame, storytelling. See the second arrow and set it down. Turn the palm. When craving says only if, gently turn the palm from grasping to openness. Ask, what is one kind action now? Dukkha names the rub where our demand meets reality. It is not a curse, but a compass. The Buddha gave us a human-sized way. There is suffering. There is the origin. There is the cessation. There is the path. 4 steps, walk kindly, bring you home. When pain arrives, bow. That is the first truth. When craving tightens, see. That is the second. When the hand opens, even a little, taste ease. That is the third. When you keep practicing, right view, intention, speech, action, livelihood, effort, mindfulness, concentration, you learn to walk without the extra weight. That is the fourth. Remember another verse. All conditioned things are impermanent. Let this be your lantern. Hold your life lightly enough that it can move and firmly enough that you can serve. Then the ache of dukkha becomes instruction, not imprisonment. The water still changes, but you stop trying to freeze it into a perfect circle. Go down the steps tomorrow, smiling at the valley's first stars, and practice with whatever sunrise gives you. Suffering and the end of suffering are not far away. They meet you at the next breath. If this video touched your heart, subscribe. It's inspired by the timeless wisdom in the 7-book Rumi collection by Dr. Farid Mostaman. Whether you seek healing, love, clarity, or growth, these teachings will guide you inward to the truth of who you are.